Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Tokyo, and for Super Bowl weekend, you know what I'm saying, we gonna kick it off right by doing this 40 wing challenge. I got my boy
Tay
and my boy.
Whoa.
And we about to, you know what I'm saying, fuck this shit up. They think they can beat me, so
Fight. Fight. Fight.
okay, shit. Okay.
Oh, okay, we starting like that.
You counting as we go?
Yeah.
Okay. Where my box at? I was starving too, G. I ain't gonna lie. Say how many you think you gonna do?
Probably like. Wait, how many is this?
40.
40. It's hard to tell. We gonna see.
So who y'all think gonna win the Super Bowl?
The Patriots.
For real?
Yeah, this
Shit's rigged.
shit's rigged, for real.
It's rigged as fuck.
They're not letting Tom Brady lose on Super Bowl. That don't even sound right. Tom Brady lost the Super Bowl. You know? This nigga could be down by 50. They still let him come back.
Damn.
They proved it last year. Came back by like 28.
Yeah, they was talking about like almost 30. Man.
Who y'all think gonna have a chance next year?
The Patriots. This year, the Eagle and the Patriots. Next year, shit, the Patriots and the somebody new.
Who's your team? I don't even know who your team is.
We ain't gonna speak on my team.
Nah, big fella. Who your team, big fella?
I like the 49ers.
49ers.
Yeah, they alright though. You know, Steelers all day.
I thought they had a chance, but Jacksonville nice.
Whoop that ass.
For real.
It was a close game though. They only lost by 3.
Yeah. If you could pick any player to be MVP for this year, who would you give it to?
Tom Brady.
Come on, bro. Like, if you was the owner of NFL,
Probably Carson Wentz.
and why?
He led the Eagles. What? They was 12-3. Then he got hurt.
You?
Bell, because he had the most receiving yards for a running back this year. So,
Tay had shit.
2, 3. No, this ain't count.
I'm at 12.
I'm at 12 out.
I'm at 13. Hey, you going to the ball? I know you would.
Man, it's gonna be cold as fuck up there.
The Migos, all the niggas supposed to be out there though. That's lit.
And you only gotta be 18 again.
That shit's definitely gonna be jumping.
I wonder what it feel like to like have the Super Bowl held and your team don't make it, like in your state. I'm a girl, I mean, no sexist shit, but I don't really know about football. Minnesota, that was the Vikings, right? The nigga that made that last minute touchdown.
Yeah, that was mad poke.
See, I didn't like that he was talking all that shit, because he was like, all right, now you better back that shit up next game. And sure
I
enough,
mean, really, he didn't do shit. The nigga on the Saints just missed a tackle, right? He acting like he ran the nigga over again. Nigga, the nigga just missed a tackle. You got lucky.
who your favorite artist right now?
Lil Baby.
Damn, my play game kind of low, big fella.
Damn.
Are y'all still in? Full?
4.
Oh, for real.
Count y'all bones. You go ahead. 20?
24.
Okay. You up a little bit.
What you got?
22.
Oh, yeah. I can't go.
22 savage. I'm trying to make them some bitch ass niggas. Damn, low key, I wanna throw up.
Hey, I done got to the point where I'm forcing myself.
For real.
nigga face.
Like, I don't know if I should keep eating or...
Damn. That was like chewing, making my jaw hurt.
24.
26. How y'all feel about Jay-Z not getting no Grammys? Didn't he have like 18 nominations or some shit? Something crazy like
I'm not surprised. So he ain't really dropped none this year.
He dropped
the 444.
a lot of people say it's like...
It wasn't that good though.
Yeah, it was just real personal.
Like, I'm sorry, y'all can't win everything.
For real. I think Kendrick should have got a lot.
Yeah.
I think he should have got all them shits.
Did he get any?
I think he got 2.
I mean, you got a lot of new rappers that's coming up though that's
Facts.
not making it as easy as it used to be. Like every year you used to, alright, Jay-Z getting this, Kendrick getting this. Like
Nicki getting this every year.
now you got
Cardi.
Cardi B, she taking over. People don't even talk about Nicki no more.
Facts.
As far as when you talk about female artists, like first person come to mind, Cardi B. Like,
Yeah.
bitch barely speak English. She's acting. You know how long you probably take her to record a song?
Put my name in your mouth. Woo, 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 woo. Can you hear? Can you pronounce? Do you hear what I'm pronouncing?
She doing it though.
I want to throw up.
Yeah, I feel it.
I'm done. Damn.
25. I can't eat no more.
24? Let's see where I'm at. Why my shit say 32?
For real?
Facts.
I gotta keep eating. Even if it's one. I would keep going. I just
31. 31. Ass niggas.
yeah, we ain't going out like that.
Hold on.
He gonna represent. I'm too far back to even try to compete. I'm at 24.
Mm. 33. All right, I just gotta finish this. Hold on. Damn.
Yeah, I don't look like you.
Damn.
Okay.
I hate wings.
Oh. Hey. All I gotta say is 33. Bitch ass nigga.
Hold on, yeah.
Bitch ass nigga.
Right?
Hey. I was gonna finish 2 in this one.
Yeah, or it don't count.
Right?
One memento. Hold on.
You won't finish it.
No, I'm going to finish it.
It's a tie.
I'll do another one.
I think wings really the only thing you can cook.
What's good?
33.
And I got 34. Cause these some ass niggas. You feel me?
I hate wings. Only
No, but that's a wrap, y'all. You know, if you guys want to match us, or if you think you can do more than 40, you know what I'm saying? Tag us in your video, nigga. We want to see what you gonna do this Super Bowl.
We gonna do something else.
for real.
Facts.
You got this wing.
Hey, all right, if we're gonna do something else, y'all might as well just comment below what y'all want to see us compete with next. It could be anything. Spaghetti, maybe a pound of spaghetti, tacos, anything.
My stomach hurt.
Yeah, I don't feel it.
At all.
This was a bad idea.
And I'm chilling. So, yeah. I guess that's a wrap.